when your father, the President of the United States, was screwing Levinsky and the girls there in the White House, how did you feel? I was not joking. I was being sarcastic. Kaya kayong mga Amerikano, si Chelsea, be careful because you live in a glass house. I was not joking. You listen to the tip. I was being sarcastic. I said, you behave, all of you guys, because I get to be blamed for anything. I told Chelsea, why? When your father was screwing Levinsky and the rest of the young girls there in the office of the president, on the table, on the floor, on the sofa, did you raise any